Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Hopper here. Today I have for you not Legendary Beast pin collections because they're $15. I found these ones at Walmart and I got them price matched for 10 bucks each. So I saved 15 bucks. It was a great deal. Amazing. Highly suggest you do it. Best Buy has them on their website. $9.99 right now. So do that while you can. You can maybe get the Beast ones, but I didn't try it because the picture they had was for the birds. Also, just a quick little thing. They're supposed to come with... They wouldn't fall. Whatever. Primal Clash, Breakthrough, and Steam Siege. But this one came with 3 Steam Siege. Weird. Honestly, no idea how that happens. I don't think it's repackaged at all. Because... there's like... it's too perfectly sealed to do that, so I don't know. We're going to start with Articuno, because Uno and whatnot. Let's get right in there. Ooh, that opened nice. Oh, there we go. Take this bad boy off. Steam Siege number 1. Here is the Articuno pin. Beautiful. Steam Siege 2 and 3. We'll just start by opening these and see which one does the best. Those guys right there. As you may have noticed, I did put some stuff in the background just to brighten it up a little bit. Make it look nicer, you know. Feel like I spend my money, so I might as well flaunt it, you know. That kind of deal. Alright. Steam Siege numero uno. Nidoran Male. Fungus. Mankey. Clink. Mantine. Nidorino, Special Charge, Clang, Reverse Fungus, and a Cobalion Regular Rare. Steam Siege number 2. With a Volcanion on the front, Full Art Sycamore inside the pack. At least that's what I can hope for. You know? Okay. Come on. There we go. That's a good code card. We'll give you that one. There you go. Okay. Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma, Apam, Clauncher, Skiploom, Hawlucha, Tangrowth, Reverse Rare Ivalug, and a Xerneas Hollow. Gotta love them Xerneas Hollows. That over there. Steam Siege Part 3. Hopefully an ultra rare in this one. Give you that code too. Flip it over. Sadness. Hoppip. Litwick. Meowth. Ponyta. Shellos. Ninja Boy. As well as Greedy Dice. Reverse Mantine and regular rare Klotzer. So a hollow out of the Articuno. Now we'll move on to Zapdos with 3 different packs, Steam Siege Breakthrough and Primal Clash. Please. Maybe this corner? Nope. Alright, this one? Nope. Oh, there's a break. Got it. Dump the Primal Clash out of there. Take the extra bit of plastic out of there. Breakthrough pin Steam Siege. Here's a look at this sweet Zapdos pin. Definitely cooler than the Articuno one in my opinion. Now we'll start with Steam Siege again. Keep the Steam Siege train rolling. With a green code. Nice. Fletchling. Larvesta, Meowth, Mantine, Mareep, Rapidash, Persian, Shieldon, Reverse Rare Armaldo, and Primeape. Regular, rare, and a breakthrough. Okay. There's your breakthrough code. The Ralts, Swinub, Noibat, and a Skiddo, kind of skipping him. Zorua Super Rod, which might have been good at some point. Braixen Floette, Reverse Starmie, and Simisage Regular Rare. Come on, Zapdos. You can do better than that. Hopefully this means they can do better than that. Meryl, if you hear some arguing in the background, ignore them. Torchic, Spiel, Trapinch, Nidoran Female, Bunnelby, Marshtomp, Nidoqueen, Sceptile Rare, and a Rare Electric. And I'll be right back. I'm just going to pause until they're done. Alright, they're still going, so I'm just going to give up and continue opening. No time for you, a while for me. Got it, great. Is this an opening? Oh, there we go. Primal Clash. Throw that garbage. Breakthrough. And then Steam Siege. And your Moltres Chicken Pin. Amazing. I love these pins. I have a whole tin full of them. Don't have them all, but you know, what I do have is pretty cool. Alright, come on. Hopefully Zapdos, or I mean Moltres, can pull through for us. There's another good code. Give you that one, nice and upside down. Hopefully better than a holo this time, but who knows. Mankey, Clink, Mantine, Shellos, Azumarill, Ninja Boy again, Skiploom, Armor Foster Shield on, and Yveltal Holo. Nice, got the Xerneas and Yveltal Holos. Now Breakthrough. You know, I'm glad I got these for 10 bucks a piece, because they're definitely not worth 15 at this point. Not that I think that matters on these older sets here. But, here we go. Skiddo, Zorua, Vanillite, Flabébé, Zorua, feel like what? Okay, Beheem, Pinsir, Staravia, Reverse Wobbuffet, and Noivern Regular Rare. Primal Clash. Tear this boy open. Look at that code card. Look at that code card. I almost took a peek. I just wanted to see what it was. Got Meditite, Clamperl, Bidoof, Tangela, Shroomish, Silent Lab, Nidorina, Bunnelby, Shrine of Memories, and Ludicolo. Regular. Man. All we got were 2 holos, and I already have like a bunch of them. That's okay. That's okay, because the pin's definitely cool. You know, 10 bucks, it's worth it for sure, but 15 a piece for, you know, all these things are definitely not worth it with what I got. I'd like to thank you all for watching, as always. Give you another code right here. And I'll catch you all next time. See ya.